Assalamu alaikum, Food for Life family. Ramadan Mubarak. Today, we're preparing a delicious iftar meal for the first night of Ramadan for the masjid. We're making crispy potato and onion pakoras, a cooling cucumber raita, and a fresh nutritious salad. Let's get started. First up, let's make our crispy pakoras mix. In a big bowl, shred the potatoes, and slice the onions. Chop your cilantro and green pepper, and shred the garlic. Next, in a large bowl, combine besan flour, salt, black pepper, coriander, turmeric, ginger powder, crushed, and red pepper. Mix well. Slowly add water while stirring to form a thick batter. The consistency should coat the back of a spoon. Add bouillon cube and mix again. Now add the batter on top of your veggies. Mix until all veggies are well coated. Let the mixture rest for 10 to 15 minutes. While my pakora mixture is resting, I am going to make my cucumber raita. Take a couple of cucumbers and shred them like so. Add it in a bowl and add 2 1/2 cups of yogurt on it, followed by salt and mint. Stir well until creamy and smooth. I am transferring them in airtight jars for safer transportation. Now I am shredding and chopping my veggies fresh, healthy salad. I will be mixing all the veggies later so that they don't color change by the time it is time for iftar. Now it is time to fry our crispy pakoras. Heat oil in a deep pan over medium heat. Once hot, drop spoonfuls of batter into the oil. Fry in batches to avoid overcrowding. Fry until golden brown and crispy, about 4 to 5 minutes per batch. Remove and drain on a paper towel. That's it! A simple yet refreshing dip that pairs perfectly with our pakoras. Look at these crispy golden pakoras. They smell amazing. Raita is the perfect cooling side dish for spicy pakoras. To balance our meal, we have our crunchy salad. And there you have it, crispy pakoras, cooling raita, and a fresh salad, all perfect for breaking your fast. Serve these with dates and a glass of water for a wholesome iftar meal. Allah blesses our fasting and fill our Ramadan with barakah. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Food for Life. See you next time, inshallah. Ramadan Kareem.
Like and subscribe.